Alright, welcome back once again to my channel. Welcome to this one and only educative channel on YouTube, the Jufos IT Services and Trading Enterprise. So please, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to generate your own passport picture. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Don't skip any part, because if you skip any part, you may miss some important aspects. So we will look at how to create the passport picture, or how to generate the passport picture, and how to change the dress of your passport picture. So without wasting much time, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, you turn on the notification button for all, like this video, drop your comments on this video, and don't also forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Alright, let's dive straight into it. So let's quickly launch our browser and go to this particular website. So the website is make passport pictures, or makepassportphoto.com. Yes, makepassportphoto.com. So let's go to that website and see how best we can use it to design or to create our passport pictures. Okay, so this is the interface of the website. So let's scroll and see some important features. Alright, so let's come to select document type. Let's click on this arrow here to select our country that we are coming from. If you are coming from Ghana, you search for Ghana and you select Ghana. So this is Ghana. Let's tick this box here. When you are done with that one, you come to select document type. So let's click on it and select passport picture, because we want to create a passport picture. Good. So when you are done with that one, we have another option here. We have some three options here. The first one is professional print. The second one, so the first one, they will charge you $14.99 pesos, or $14.99. Then the second one, they will charge you, which one? The second one is the digital photos, which is AI, artificial intelligence. So they will charge you $2.99. Then the last one is free. So in this case, we don't want to pay any money before we generate our passport picture. So let's select the third one, which is do it yourself. So tick the box here, do it yourself, and let's come to the down here, select get photo. Click on get photo. This thing that we are learning, please, I'm teaching you for two reasons. The first one is you can do it for people and make money out of it. The second one is you can do it for yourself to save money. So let's click on get photo. Alright, so when you select get photos, this is how the menu will be. So create photo for Ghana, because we selected Ghana as our country, the country that we are coming from. So this is going to be our passport picture size. So let's come to this one, the upload section. So upload a photo. Let's click on this particular section to upload the photo that we want to use for this passport creation. So when you click on that, it will take you to your gallery to select the photo or the picture or the image that you want to use for the passport. So please make sure that the picture you are going to use is having a white or red background. Make sure that picture you are going to use is having a white or red background. Then you select it and upload it here. So image uploaded successfully. Good. Now let's scroll it and come to the down here. So this is paper size. if you want to change the paper size, you click on this arrow here. Then we have different dimensions here that you can use for your passport. So let me select the 6x4. Always use 6x4, or it depends on what you are going to use it for. So let's come to next. Click on next. Please, I hope by now you have already subscribed to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then please kindly do it now, and don't forget to turn on the notification button for all, so that you can have access to our next important lesson like this. Okay, so when you click on that, this is the menu that will pop up. So let's scroll down and see. So this is the passport picture that I have uploaded. So let's see something here. You can adjust it. You can adjust it the way you want it to be. Position it well. Okay, so let's scroll again and click on next here. Click on next. When you click on next, the image will be processed. So let's see how it is going to appear here. So the image has been processed successfully. So if you want to do any editing, if you want to give it brightness, you do it from here. If you want to do any editing, you do it. You use these tools here to do it. Okay, so let's click on next again. When you click on next again, it will take you to this menu. So this is how our picture is going to appear when we are done with it. Okay, so let's click on finish. Let's click on finish. So when you click on finish, another menu again will pop up for you to download your pictures. So you select download from here. So download now to my device. When you click on download now to my device, another thing will pop up, download. So you click on download. When you click on download, you see that it has been downloaded. So let's click on open to preview our passport picture. Good. So when you click on preview, this is how our passport pictures will appear. So we have 8 solid passport pictures here. So the only thing you need to do is to send it to the printing press for printing. So this is the shortest way that you can generate your passport pictures. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all. Don't also forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Alright, now that we are done with these passport pictures, we want to change the dress. This dress that I'm wearing here, I want to change the dress. I want to show you how you can change the dress of your passport picture, or you can change the dress on your passport picture. So let's quickly go back to the website again. Let me show you how you can do that within 2 minutes. Alright, so I'm back on the site again. So let's select country. When you click on that, you select the country you are coming from. So I'm coming from Ghana. Let me select Ghana. Let me go to document type. You click on passport. When you are done with that, you come back again to do it yourself. Click on do it yourself, and let's go to get photo. When you click on that, the menu will pop up for you to upload your photo. So click on browse and upload your file. When you click on that, it will take you to your gallery. It will take you to your gallery to upload the picture that you want to use for this particular editing. So you click on this one, you select the one that you like. So let me click on next. Click on next. So this is the menu that will pop up like this. So let's quickly go and click on next. When you click on next, the picture will be processed again. When it is processed, this is how it will look like. It will look like this one. So let's click on next. It is the same picture that we are going to use for this editing again. Good. Now that we are done, let's come to the top here. Pick address. Pick address. So click on pick address and let's click on men. We have for women and men. So the picture is for a man. So let's click on men. When you click on men, different kind of suits will pop up. So you select the one that you think will be good for you. So let me select this one for this particular editing. So now how are we going to do it so that it will fit well, as if I'm wearing or I was wearing that particular dress before I took the picture. So you move it. If you want to enlarge it, if you want to enlarge it to the to the right, you use this button. If you want to enlarge the whole thing, you use this button. If you want to bring it down, you use this. Move it upwards, you use this. Then to the right, to the left, you use this. To the left top corner, you use this. So let me position it well on the picture here. So what I'm doing is that you hold this one and drag it. So you hold this and drag it. So let's position it well there. So please make sure you do it as if it is real. Do it as if it is real, so that when people see, they will not know that this particular picture was edited by somebody. So let's position it well on this one. So please take a critical look at all these things that I'm doing here. So let's come to the right side, move it a little bit, move it a little bit. Okay, let me go back again and do it a little bit. Please make sure you watch it well so that you don't make any mistake. So let me come to the top here and push it downwards a little bit. I don't want the dress I was wearing, the blue dress under this one, to show. So let me push it again. Go to the top here, push it again a little bit. Good. So let me place it on this one. Okay, I have to come to the right side, come to this side again, push it a little bit, close it a little bit. Okay, so let me click on this one, click on this one. I think I have to go to the right side again and close it a little bit. Okay, like this. Okay, so I think I have to close it here a little bit like this. Okay, okay. So you go to the right again and position it well. So you do it until it is okay, until it fits well, so that people will not know that this particular thing was edited. All right, now I have my nice passport picture here. So please, if you see this and they tell you that this thing was edited, will you believe it? No, you will never believe it. So this is how you can change the dress on your passport picture, send it to the printing press for printing to save cost. So when you are done with this, you click on finish, and our passport picture. So let's go to download, click on download here and see how our passport picture is going to look like. So you come to the down here and select download. When you select download, then it is ready. Wow. So let's click on open, click on open to see how our passport picture looks like. So we have 8 solid passport pictures. So let me zoom it so that we take a critical look at them. So guys, have you seen everything here? Everything is here perfectly. This was not the dress I was wearing. I was able to change it. So thank you very much. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do it quickly. You turn on the notification button for all so that you not miss any important video on this channel. Make sure you share this important video with your friends and family members so that they can also benefit from this channel. So let's meet in the next tutorials. Bye bye.